Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
A grand jury summons is an official court order telling you to appear for jury duty, but it's for a very specific and important role in the American justice system. It doesn't mean you're in trouble, it means you've been randomly selected to help decide if a criminal case should even go to trial. Unlike the trial jury you see in movies, which determines guilt or innocence, a grand jury's job is different. It acts as an investigative body. A group of 16 to 23 citizens listens to evidence presented by a prosecutor and decides if there is enough probable cause, or a reasonable basis, to believe a crime was committed and that a specific person committed it. If the grand jury agrees there's enough evidence, it issues a formal accusation called an indictment, which allows the case to move forward. When you receive a summons in the mail, it is a legal command, not an invitation. You absolutely must respond. Ignoring it can result in serious consequences, including fines or even being held in contempt of court. The summons will provide a date, time, and location for you to report to the courthouse. If you have a legitimate reason you cannot serve, such as a significant medical condition or a severe financial hardship, there will be instructions on how to request to be excused. However, you must follow that official process and cannot simply decide not to show up. Once selected, your service term can last for a month or even up to a year or more, but you typically don't serve every day. You might meet once or twice a week. During these sessions, you will hear evidence in secret. This confidentiality is crucial. It protects the reputations of those who are investigated but not ultimately charged and encourages witnesses to testify freely. Your role is to listen to the prosecutor, review documents, and hear from witnesses. After the presentation of a case, you and the other jurors will deliberate and vote in private. If the majority decides there's enough evidence, you vote for a true bill, which is the indictment. If not, you vote for a no bill, and the matter is usually dropped. Serving on a grand jury is a fundamental civic duty that gives citizens a powerful voice and acts as a check on the government's power to prosecute. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple explanations of complex topics.